addition to adding some additional flavor to your dishes. This all allows you to combine the nutrient of garlic, rosemary and olive oil into one convenient ingredient. You will love it. Today's video will discuss how to make rosemary and garlic infused oil. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Infused oil is growing more and more popular in gastronomy. This oil don't only make it easier to use herbs and spices, but they also increase the nutritional value of high-quality oils. Rosemary and garlic infused oil. Rosemary and garlic infused oil has become one of the most popular products in Mediterranean cooking. The benefits of rosemary. Rosemary is an herb that's been used for hundreds of years in culinary and medicinal uses. Rosemary has anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties that helps improve blood circulations. Plus, it also soothes joint pain. Benefits of garlic. Garlic is most kitchen ingredient because it offers unmistakable flavor and aroma that highlights the flavor of countless dishes. The benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthy fats that everyone should include in their dietary plan. Its monosaturated fatty acid helps regulate cholesterol levels, making it great for preventing cardiovascular diseases. How to prepare this infused oil? If you want to take advantage of everything this ingredient have to offer and add a little something extra to your dishes, we suggest that you make this delicious infused oil at home. Here's how. Ingredients: 3 sprigs or fresh rosemary, 4 garlic cloves, 1 cup of olive oil, utensils, glass jar with cap, cheesecloth. Preparation. First, wash the rosemary sprigs well and let them dry in the sun. After when dry, cut them into several pieces and put them in the glass jar. Next, slice the garlic cloves or lightly smash them with a mortar and pestle. Then add them to the jar and cover the ingredient with a cup of olive oil. Close the jar and let everything melt together for 30 days in a dark and dry place. During this time, shake the jar every once in a while so the ingredients combine well. After 30 days have passed, filter the oil using the cheesecloth and use in your dishes. How to use: splash a dash of oil in your salad, soup and vegetable recipes. Incorporate it in your meat and fish dishes. Are you ready to add it to your table? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.